Looking over here at the Aussie yen, price is doing something new. We are seeing the trend is rolling over, looking for a long up to 80.63 this coming week. Okay, so that's what we said should happen. If we look at the weekly, we've been bouncing around in this weekly zone from 81 down to 76. Again, we think something new is happening here. We think we're starting to form an up move. Okay, possibly all the way up to 86. So moving over here to the daily time frame, well, lo and behold, price hit 80.63 like to the tick. That's pretty awesome when that happens that elegantly. Okay, and then price went right back down to the aqua zone, I guess, that we're looking at there at the 78.63 level. Found really nice support down there so far today. I'm thinking it's going to continue to pop to the upside here. I would really like to see price pop to the upside and retest again the 80.63 level. Really good supply. Now, because we think something new is happening here, you know, I'm thinking that if we can break this level once again, you know, like we're going to be going up and the trend's going to flip to the upside here. So I think that's very, very possible. So when looking at this type of position, let's go into the small time frame and see where could we be getting long out of this stuff. So this came down here and did this a really, really quick price action down here to the 78.48 level, and we went down there, and then notice how we stopped just a few ticks above the purple level at 78.43. Okay, so it looks like the institutions are really trying to defend that level inside of the big week or inside of the big daily zone, and popped us right back up into the highs. And I'm looking forward to give us a good retest up there, you know. And for sure, I would like to see a retest of the 76.47 up to the 79.46 up to 79.70 level. I really like that aqua zone. So I'd like to see us continue on up there and see how strong that level is as prices potentially moving to the upside here. But to me, I'm still looking like something new is happening here on this market, so I would like to see really good demand hold here, and for us to retest the 80.63 over the next week. Looking at the euro pound here, we from last week, our prediction was still looking for the uptrend to continue, but we're really expecting a pullback right to the 88.43 level. Third week in a row that we're waiting for the pullback. And well, I think it's kind of happened here. So you can see on the weekly we've just been nothing but up, and it's been a really strong up. So over the past few weeks we've just been ranging around and around, and as we've just been ranging around and around, there hasn't been a whole lot to say other than, hey, we're waiting for this pullback. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it happened today, and we finally got our better pullback area here. So this thing just cratered through one of these aqua levels, and again, I'm looking for this thing to come back down here into this 88.43 level, and I'm hoping that over the next couple days it's actually going to start to do this. And considering that it's taken this long just to give us the start of the pullback, you know, this whole move back up to the upside, this may take a whole lot longer, you know, than what we thought. This may be like a weekly projection to do this little check mark trade here. So I just want to be aware of that. But I guess over the next few days, I'm expecting to see this thing come down, and then we should be coming back up again to retest this high, okay, this lower high right here. And because we put in the lower high right here, you know, I'm getting kind of interested in possibly drawing a trend line here too, just to see what that looks like as well. So those are my thoughts on this particular market. Still, I would say that the same thing is happening here on our forecast. Nothing here has changed, but now we're going into the fourth week of this deal here. Again, a lot of times these predictions are weeks out when we're just trying to predict out the next few bars, but when it gets all range bound like this, then it's your weekly perspective turns into a monthly, just like that. Continue to watch this one closely as we move into next week here.